Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a lovely Starline i96 Immobiliser, which is not just a standard immobiliser. What it does, it actually stops the car from running, and it also blocks the key receiver inside the vehicle. So obviously when you walk away with your Bluetooth tag, not only will it immobilise, but it will stop you from unlocking it. So how the system works, really straightforward. When the tag is present, i.e. we're using a phone at the moment, see there you've got the Starline key app which we downloaded. It's got a green band around the outside. As soon as I put the ignition on, main ignition on, I get a bleep and I can start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. As the customer leaves the vehicle and locks it and walks away, it will actually immobilise the vehicle and stop them from unlocking it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to turn off the Bluetooth on the phone. Bluetooth is now off. You can see key's not present. Original car keys in the car. If I try and start it, it won't start. You just can't find the key. Key's not present. Really clever bit of kit. If I go back and turn the Bluetooth on, see, tag is now present, keys within the vehicle. Turn the ignition on, vehicle starts. Really clever bit of kit, really straightforward. Also, when he takes the car for a service, he obviously doesn't want to give the phone, so he places it into valet mode, and the way he does that is push and hold the app until it goes amber. We just received a double bleep, and now we can start the vehicle. There you go. Don't have to give the Bluetooth tag as it's in valet mode. When he gets the vehicle back, goes back onto the app, pushes on the key till it goes green again. There you go. 2 bleeps. The tag is now present. Start his vehicle. There you go. Just received confirmation. Really clever, really straightforward. Tag is present. That was just a quick video just to show that not only does it block, but it actually blocks the key. So as I said, slightly different to all the other immobilisers. As he walks away, it immobilises and actually blocks the key. So if someone wants to do a relay attack and go to unlock the vehicle, they won't be able to unlock the vehicle, number one, and number two, they won't be able to start it. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478, or alternatively, you can call us on the numbers on the card. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.